Hello students. Now we are going to see 9th standard maths second chapter real numbers. Let us see some example sums based on rational and irrational numbers. First question, find any three rational numbers between minus 7 by 11 and 2 by 11. Let us take minus 7 by 11 and 2 by 11. So the denominator is same. So we are easy to find out in between the numbers, that is minus 7 to 2 only. So that is minus 6 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 4 by 11. So this is the three rational numbers in between minus 7 by 11 and 2 by 11. Next, second question, let us see, find any three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So both denominators are different. So we have to use one formula. Let us consider A is equal to 1 by 4 and B is equal to 1 by 5. So now we use the formula of Q1, that is the rational number is denoted as Q. So let us consider as first rational number is Q1. Q1 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B. Now we have to find out 1 by 2 into, instead of A you have to substitute 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into, the LCM of these 4 and 5 is 20. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 9 by 20. So that is equal to 9 divided by 40 is the first rational number. In the same way, we have to find out the second rational number Q2. So Q2 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q1. So Q1 is equal to 9 by 40, and then you have to find out the second rational number. Q2 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q1. So you have to substitute 1 by 2 into, what is A? 1 by 4 plus Q1, you already found out 9 by 40. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into LCM of 4 and 40 is 40. So we have to get the answer of 10 plus 9 is equal to 1 by 2 into 19 by 40, that is equal to 19 by 80. So let us find out third rational numbers. First one is Q1, already found out 9 by 40, and Q2 is equal to 19 by 80. Then you have to find out Q3, that is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is A? 1 by 4 plus Q2 is equal to 19 by 80. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is the LCM for 4 and 80 is, you have to take as 80 and multiply by 20 plus 19. So that is equal to 39 divided by 160. This is Q3. So the three rational numbers in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5 is Q1 is equal to 9 by 40, Q2 is equal to 19 by 80, Q3 is equal to 39 by 160. Now we will see the third one is, express the following rational numbers into decimal and state the kind of decimal expansion. Let us consider this rational numbers 2 by 7. We have to find out the decimal expansion and what type of decimal expansions is this. So you have to divide 2 divided by 7. So put one 0, 0.7 2s are 14, balance 6, 0, 7 8s are 56, balance 4, put on 0, 40. So 7 5s are 35. 5 0 7 7s are 49. Balance 1. Again put on 0 1 7. So we will get 3 balance 0. Again 7 4s are 28. Balance 2. The same 2 will again comes here. So you would stop up to this one. So the result is 2 by 7. So again you repeat this 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4 will be repeated. So you have to final result is 2 by 7 is equal to 0.285714. It's repeated. So this decimal is non-terminating because it will be repeated again and again. So it is non-terminating decimal expansion, non-terminating and recurring decimal. So the repeated numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are repeated again and again. So it is non-terminating and recurring decimals. Next we will find out 327 divided by 200. So you have to divide 327 divided by 200. So 1 time 200 balance 7 2 1. Again put 1 0, put 1 point here. So 6 times 1200 balance 70. Again put 1 0, add 1 0 here. How many times? 3 times 600 balance 100. Again add 1 0. So 5 times 1000. The remaining will be 0. So what is the answer for 327 divided by 200 is equal to 1.635. The remainder will be 0. So up to 635 finish. So the quotient is 1.635. So what type of expansion is this means? Therefore it is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. So thank you students. Thank you for listening.